All right, today we're breaking down Acquire.com. Uh, uh, Identity, 10 out of 10. The .com in there is pretty interesting because you assume it's .com when there's no top level domain. So I know they use it a lot in their branding as Acquire.com. Uh, but I would just say Acquire. Acquire.com sounds good. I'm not mad about it. The largest marketplace to buy and sell bootstrap SaaS startups. Great headline. It delivers. It's a big promise that relieves a big pain point in a specific target market. If you want to buy bootstrap startups, they're like, hey, we're the largest marketplace. Very cool. Join 500,000 entrepreneurs closing life-changing deals, buying, sell SaaS, e-commerce agencies, and content business with acquisition support. So even in the sub-headline is good because they tell you the kind of businesses it has. So that's cool. You can jump straight to the listings, which is great. And then what is this? Our story.
My name is Andrew Yozdecki. I'm the CEO and founder of Acquire.com. I started Acquire.com to help startup founders get acquired and help maximize their acquisition. I saw just a huge industry with zero innovation happening, and I knew that we could build a better way. Our goal at Acquire.com is to make getting acquired as easy as possible, and we do that better than any other company in the world.
Whether you're a first-time seller or this is your 5th acquisition, what we really do is making sure that you have all the resources necessary to get to the finish line.
Each founder, each company is unique. We have to create and craft a strategy that's specific to them. You get an entire M&A team of experts.
We set meetings with you weekly. We're there to follow up, to see how progress is going.
Best part about working at Acquire is I get to work with so many founders. They're engineers, they're so smart, but they're not salespeople. I am.
I would say one of the biggest highlights in helping founders is really instilling confidence in them throughout the whole journey. I was able to do that with an individual last week. He honestly just didn't really know how to get started. Being there for him every step of the way was really, really fulfilling for me as an acquisition manager. From there, he actually ended up getting a lot of me.
So this video is it's good and not good because they jump to these, like she's talking about a person that there was no context who this person is. So I get like the video maybe is, confusing, but I like what they're doing. They're like, hey, we'll help you out, whatever. But in terms of like a video content piece, it's not the best.
Meeting scheduled and a lot more interest on his listings.
The value that we bring is we specialize in SaaS, as well as our rapid and effective exposure from our platform. It makes it easy for any buyer anywhere in the world to acquire any startup.
We really act as a team to get these deals to the finish line, and we're transacting with trust, transparency, and ease of use. It's really phenomenal, just the reach that we're able to achieve.
Within 4 years, Acquire.com has seen over 400,000 buyers register for our platform, and we've helped over 1,000 startups get acquired, and that has totaled to about $500 million in
Seems like a sales deck, almost like a pitch deck for investors. So maybe that's what the purpose of this is. But if I were them, I'd just be like, if they want to do a story, they should do a story of an acquisition from soup to nuts. Just be like, hey, I'm Bob. I want to sell my company. Went on Acquire, talked to a guy. They set me up. They hooked me up this way. We did this, and they just talked through it. And because the purpose of these demos is to visualize ownership or visualize the use. So that might be a good opportunity here. So it's there. The demo's there. I give them 6 out of 10, maybe. Anyways, subheadline's good. The call to actions are good. You got the credibility here. You got all these like Trustpilot stuff. 500 reviews gives you a number. That's good. These are good. Should have been like, okay, so they're using visual width and visual height. Not the best. Not the best way to size things. Having more breakpoints and thinking about breakpoints is easy, but that's just, too to whoever's interested. This kind of image, you know, it kind of does show, but it's not that powerful. I'm not like wow, like the hero image has to be like some sort of magic trick where you can visualize the whole benefit, the result, the experience in one image or one animation or something like that. And you know, they're trying, but it's just not there. Uh, what else have we got? So identity check, and I'm going through the landing page checklist. Uh, but yeah, identity check, headline, subheadline, hero image, call to action, assurances. Usually it's good to have a seller's one and a buyer's one landing page because two totally different value propositions. But here they're doing like the catch-all, right? Uh, so yeah, 0 to 100 demo. This is not that. This is whatever. It's a pitch deck. They should do like a 0 to 100. Like, hey, I started. I got acquired in whatever 6 weeks. This is the whole process. Do they do steps? We make online acquisition safe, fast, and easy. Sellers, buyers. This is maybe a better expert tooling. Also, doesn't hit me so strong. Maximize your exit with expert help from our teams. Okay, and then find your ideal startups and make an offer in minutes. And then expert. Yeah, what is this? What does this mean? Like, it looks cool, but the visual semantics of it is just, if that's a word, is visual semantics a word? I might be embarrassing myself. Anyways, discover your dream startup. Browse thousands. They already said this. But here they're opening up a little bit. Evaluate web customer financial metrics. This standalone, like if they break this out, because these are like features they've built into the product of how you can see and evaluate startups. So breaking these out as separate features and showing those would be better. Sell quickly, easily, and for the highest price. Yeah, see, these are the things. This is just kind of bullshit benefit, like salesy bullshit. Uh, you don't see all of the features available to you as a buyer or seller, and that's what you want to do here. So they didn't do a good job on that one. Testimonials, I like that. Uh, that's cool. Top picks to kind of show you the things. This is cool. I would maybe have this up, maybe here, instead of whatever this is. Top picks is good, and that's it. There's no pricing. Here we go. Buy pricing. What is that? Okay, so if you want to buy, you pay 390 for the privilege. Access startups 250K in TDM. Very cool. Anyways, overall very average.